The information that is gathered by the AI is already massive and is getting bigger every day and every second. That is why there are already so many AI tools that can be used. At first, I didn't want to use it, but after doing some researches, I wanted to give it a try and opened a Faceless YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how I made my videos with just using AI tools. So let's begin. Step 1. For that step, we need a topic that is interesting for us and where we want to gather the information about it. Because it is always the best to do some researching about the topic that is interesting for you. It is more fun than doing and researching something that you don't like or where you don't want to find any information. After deciding about what we want to make a YouTube channel, we go to ChatGPT. There we ask it to give us some information. As you can see, it is listing very quickly the information. And if you don't agree with the answer you get, you have to give him more information about what you want or how it should look. Till it has an understanding what you want, you can continue the process till you get the answer that you want to see. At first, I wanted to create a conversational model to make YouTube videos about it. I thought that would be the best, but after seeing the answers, I realized that the conversational model isn't what I wanted. I wanted to have a topic where I can show in a video the facts about something specific. That is why I decided and changed my answer and told him to give me answer where I can have the facts with a sentence at the end, but it couldn't give me more than 15 till 20 examples, so I had to tell him again and again to give me the answers because it sometimes stopped at the middle of the answering. Just imagine and compare it to what you would have done or should do. What the AI is already doing, answering, giving the answers and making even the conversation with you. After finally getting enough answer, we can go to the step 2. In step 2, we need to create some pictures. And for that, we go to the AI page, Deep AI, to create the pictures we want. At first, I tried to get some forest pictures with a dark meaning. I tried the free versions and here you can see the outcomes of the different free examples that you can use. And sometimes I even change the text to see what I would get, but like dark psychology. After using it for a while, I found out that the examples with the picture just create pictures with the face. But when you go to the robotic version, it creates everything that you give in as a text. And this is one of the best dark forest pictures that I got. After seeing it, I created with that tool much more pictures. Around 60, I would say. Because the results were just so awesome that I couldn't stop creating or letting it to create. And everything is created from an AI. And you can see that these pictures are beautiful. I wanted to test the other versions as well, so I gave the same text that I used for the robotic version in different styles. And these are the results for the different styles, as you can see. Some of them are really beautiful, but I personally like this one the most. After 1 or 2 days creating my pictures, I found out that the Deep AI page wasn't free anymore. Step 3. Here we have 2 options. One, a smartphone and a video editor. For the smartphone version, I used the app InShot. Uploaded my picture and firstly I decided which size it should have, and after it I began editing the picture that I wanted for a video. For that I firstly began writing and took the text from the ChatGPT that I did earlier. So I put the text in, and after putting the text, I decided which style the alphabet should have. There they had many to choose one from. After choosing one style of the alphabet, I went to the editing part of the text, but there wasn't much to do about it. I wanted just a simple one, so I didn't even use an animation. Here you can see you can choose which length it should have. I wanted the text to cover the whole time the picture, so I edited like that. After making one example, I copied this one and edited the same for the rest of the pictures or the video that it should be used. The length of the picture is differently because it depends how long the text is. The longer the text is, the longer the picture is to stay, to be able to read it, the whole text, not just one or two words. After finally deciding which length or the style of the alphabet should have, you can see how the video would look. You can add some music as well, but in this video I wanted to show how I used the AI tools and created a video. And here we can see the video editing program. It is like the smartphone version, just on computer. It is the same. You have to decide which length it should have and how long the text has to stay. And that's it for the part. Step 3, part 2. After doing this step 3, I found out that there's another option to create a video with an AI, and that is the Opus AI. It is really easy to use, and you can create in a short time so many videos as I did. And for that you just need URL from the YouTube page. You copy it, you paste it to the Opus AI. It begins automatically clip the video and put in many parts. I did it mostly with small parts like 10 or 15 minutes, but it is up to 1 hour. At the beginning they give you 5 hours to use. After that you can pay for more hours where the AI can put more videos for you. And in that time I made more than 30 videos. I can say that the videos that came out were much better than the videos I did, because it additionally put the subtitles and the voice cover in the video. That way I could create much more videos in a short time than I did earlier. But don't use videos with subtitles, because it doesn't change the video itself. It just clips the video and compress it into little YouTube shorts. But still, using this tool will save you so much time than the common option. So coming to the final part, the results. And here is my created YouTube channel, Conversational Mind AI. And when you go to the shorts section, I already uploaded more than 80 short videos. Some of them reach 500 views, some none. I don't know how the YouTube algorithm works. The first part consists of the videos with the generated pictures, and the second part consists of the AI shortened videos. And when you go to the YouTube studio, you can see some details and analyze the videos. It is clearly that you can say you can reach more views with short videos within short time. As you can see, I reached around 3,000 views with the shorts. But if you go to the analysis, you can see here the shorts, how much people it was suggested and how much people viewed it. It isn't that much. It could be shown to much more people, but the likes that I got were within 10 days. I have to say that was the most I got, but it could be more, because I invested very much time. I began around the 10th March, around the 15th March, and ended after 10 days. So I have to continue with it to achieve much more views. But it shouldn't be impossible, because if you stay persistent and post continuously, I guess YouTube shows automatically to much more people than before, or as it did. So when you go to the research section, you see that you can even what is missing on YouTube, and you can even search what keywords is searched on YouTube. So it made you even easier to use the search engine optimization, because you have to put in the description part of the video always something to describe it, and it plays sometimes. It takes an important part when it is getting suggested to people or persons. So use the search engine optimization, stay persistent, and post continuously. And if you want, you can visit my page.